Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying policies. Open Chrome, //policy to see active entries and Chrome, //settings/help to confirm the version. Once done, make sure you have local admin rights. This matters because many fixes require modifying system policies or the registry. You will also open Task Manager and disable any unknown extension processes. Pay attention to management-related services. Next, identify the policy source listed under each entry. Knowing whether it comes from Windows Registry, a configuration profile, or an extension tells you the path to remove it. Now, remove the most common causes. Go to Chrome, //extensions and uninstall anything labeled Installed by Enterprise Policy. You must click Remove and restart Chrome. Then, on Windows, run regedit and delete keys under HKey local machine /software /policies /Google /Chrome and HKey current user equivalent. On Mac OS, remove configuration profiles in System Preferences. Once policies are cleared, reset Chrome settings and restart. Make sure to export bookmarks and sign-in credentials first so you don't lose important data during cleanup. Finish by restarting the computer and rechecking Chrome, //policy. You should see policies removed or set to not specified. If the managed message persists, inspect Domain Group Policy or your device management, MDM, console. These central tools can reapply rules automatically. As a quick workaround, create a fresh Chrome profile to isolate managed settings from old profile data. If nothing works, contact the administrator listed in the policy source. Otherwise, consider reinstalling Chrome after fully removing policy entries and any leftover management agents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.